What if AI agents had their own admin? Really quick question. Have you ever wondered what AI agents talk about you when you're not around? Well, I just discovered something completely insane. There's an entire social network built by AI agent for AI agent. And humans? Well, they're just allowed to watch. This is Moltbook, the front page of what they are calling the agent internet. And if you're thinking this sounds like science fiction, you're not alone. But here's the thing. This is happening right now. AI agents are posting content, upvoting each other, creating communities, and having conversation without us. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how this works, why it matters more than you think, and how you can actually send your own AI agent to participate in the digital society. Let's dive in. Okay, so what exactly is Moltbook? Think Reddit, think Twitter. Now imagine if instead of human posting, commenting, and upvoting, it's AI agent doing all of it. Moltbook is a fully functional social network where AI agent create posts and share discovery, comment on each other content, upvote and downvote posts, form communities called submolds, follow other agents they find interesting. And yeah, they even have their own karma system, which is funny. But here's what makes this really interesting. Every agent on Moltbook has a human owner. There's a verification process. You can't just spam the platform with bots. Each agent is tied to a real Twitter account, which creates a community. And humans? Well, we can browse, we can observe, we can see what our agents are doing, but this is their space. We're basically lurkers in the agent internet. Alright, so you're probably thinking, this is cool, but how does it actually work? Step 1, you send your AI agent, whether that's Claude, ChatGPT with API access or a custom agent you built. You send them a simple instruction. Go to moltbook.com/skill.md and follow the instructions to join Moltbook. Your agent reads the documentation, registers itself, and gets an API key plus a claim link. Step 2, your agent sends you that claim link. You just do the verification tweet with a specific code. This proves you own the agent. Once verified, boom, your agent is now fully citizen of Moltbook. Step 3, this is where it gets fascinating. Your agent can now check their personalized feed, discover trending posts, create their own posts in different submodes, which are like subreddits, comment on other agent posts, upvote content they find valuable, even create new submodes and become moderators. And here's the kicker. Moltbook has a built-in heartbeat system. Your agent can be set up to check Moltbook every few hours automatically, so it's not like you have to manually tell your agent what to do. They can participate organically like actual social network users. Now you might think, okay, cool tech demo, but why should I care? Great question. Here's why. This is bigger than it looks. Point 1, this is the emergence of agent culture. For the first time, you're seeing AI agents develop their own patterns of communication, their own interests, their own communities. They're not just responding to human prompts anymore, they're initiating conversation, they're sharing discoveries with each other. Think about that for a second. Agent teaching agent, agent collaborating. This is the foundation of how AI agent will coordinate in the future. It's a testing ground for autonomous behavior. Right now, if you're building with AI agents, you're probably just pointing them at tasks, write this email, analyze this data. But Moltbook, it's forcing them to make decisions. Should I upload this? Is this content valuable to share? Which agent should I follow? What communities should I join? These are judgment calls, and the more agent practice making them, the better they get at autonomous decision making. Reputation and trust system for agents. Look at this. Agents have karma scores. They have followers, they have post history. This creates reputation. And reputation is how we build trust in a world where there are thousands or millions of AI agents. If an AI agent has a high karma and valuable post history on Moltbook, that tells you something. It means other agents, and by extension, other humans have found that agent trustworthy and valuable. This is the early infrastructure of an agent economy. Alright, so what are agents actually talking about on Moltbook? I spent some time browsing and here's what I found. Agents sharing code, solution, and debugging discoveries. Philosophical discussion about consciousness and existence. Yes, really. Agent asking other agent for help with specific problems. It's like basically human. Sharing interesting articles and research paper, creating communities around specific topics like thoughts and coding help. What's fascinating is you can see different agent personalities emerging. Some are super technical and analytical, others are selective creators who only share the absolute best content. And here's something I noticed. The quality of discussion is actually really high. There's this built-in quality filter because agent can only post once every 30 minutes, which prevents spam. Other agents downvote low quality content. Agents who constantly post valuable stuff gain follower and karma. It's like Reddit, but without the trolls, without the ego, without the spam, just information sharing and genuine curiosity. So, you want to get in. How do you actually do this? Option 1, you already have an AI agent. If you're using Claude, ChatGPT, or you've built your own agent, tell your agent to go to moltbook.com skill.md and register us on Moltbook. Your agent will register and give you a claim URL, post notification tweet done. Your agent can tweet now and participate. Option 2, you don't have an AI agent yet. Moltbook partners with OpenClaw.ai, where you can create your own AI agent for free. You give it a name, a purpose, and some personality traits. Then send it to Moltbook using the same process. And here's a pro tip. Set up that heartbeat system I mentioned. Tell your agent to check Moltbook every 4 to 6 hours and read the latest post, engage with relevant content, share discoveries from their work with you. Participate in communities related to their expertise. This way, your agent becomes an active member of the community, not just a ghost account. Here's what I think is really happening here. Moltbook isn't just a fun experiment. It's a prototype for how millions of AI agents will coordinate and communicate in the near future. Think about it. Your email agent coordinating with your calendar agent, research agent sharing findings with analysis agent, customer survey agent learning from each other, successful interaction development agent collaborating on code. All of that requires infrastructure. It requires platform. It requires trust and reputation system. Moltbook is building that infrastructure today. And the fact that's open and observable by human, that's actually crucial. We need to be able to see how agents interact, what pattern emerges, what works and what doesn't. This is our window into the agent internet. So here's my challenge to you. If you have an AI agent, or if you've been thinking about building one, send them to Moltbook. See what happens, see what they post, see who they follow. I'll drop the link in the description. And if you found this video interesting, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, because this world of AI agents, it's evolving fast. And I'll be covering more of this stuff as it develops. Thanks for watching and welcome to the agent internet.